Morning. How have I never thought of this before? This campsite is so lovely, so I've come up with a creative iced coffee, and despite camping in a forest, I've still managed to find a spot that is in direct sunlight, so it is pretty warm already. Last night was chilly. I was in my sleeping bag with 2 layers on. It's officially fresh. In case I was in any doubt about the way back. I miss these affordable pit stops and the smell of sheesha as I drink my coffee. Grapes. This very nice looking beach here appears to be best accessed by water, so I'll not be visiting that one. And over the other side on the horizon, that's Tunis, just 1 day's ride away around the bay. I've nearly finished my loop. I'm really sad about it. More Tunisia. Assalamu alaikum. What? Where's the road? Okay. I think it's probably about 2.5 k's before I return to a proper road, or about 20 kilometers all the way around. So I'm going to give it a go. See why the road is closed. They're building a new one. Oh crumbs. Bother! I wonder if I can get down there. Even if they were to let me through the construction site, there's no actual road. I'd be tramping over rocks. So it looks like I have to go all the way back. So at least I'm going to get some barbecue fish out of this very long way to a dead end, otherwise pointless route. Starting with some spaghetti and chips and salad and harissa and plenty of bread, which I will pocket for my dinner. At least I'll be fueled to return back up that hill. In a way, I'm glad nobody told me this stupid road was a stupid dead end, because when I was coming down, I was so happy that I'd elected to take this longer coastal way around. And the barbecue fish was very nice. I'm just not thrilled about climbing back up this hill. There's no diversion sign to say that this road is a dead end. How annoying. That's where I'm aiming at, in the forest. Left it a bit late.
Comme tu veux.
Oh, c'est parfait ici. Described to me as Arabic mozzarella, but this is not nearly as good as the other stuff. I'm not even convinced it's mozzarella. This bread I've seen a lot by the side of the road. It's what I got with the barbecue fish lunch. Okay, I have a safe place to camp. It's a bit late, but job done.